Are you tired of typing your contact info into every email? Learn how to add a professional signature in Gmail in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you where to find the signature settings, then how to create and format your signature, and finally, how to save it. Start by heading over to your Gmail homepage. Click the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Select See All Settings to access the full settings panel. Under the General tab, scroll down until you find the Signature section. Click on Create New to start building your signature. Give your signature a name, something like Work or Personal, so you can easily identify it later. Then hit Create to open the signature editor. Type your signature into the editor. Include your name, title, and any contact info you'd like. Use the formatting toolbar to make text bold, italic, or underlined. Once you're happy, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes to apply your new signature. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.